Now I am under the blessing of God, under the umbrella of God. God sending peace and breeze rays towards me, and I am receiving it. There is a continuous flow towards me, and I am receiving, and I am receiving. Now my mind is full of peace and bliss, and charged, empowered. I'm feeling very light. Yes, I'm feeling God is with me. I'm telling to God, please help me. My patient is in very trouble, so please help me. God tell, I'm always with you. Now I'm feeling that my patient is under the blessing and power of God, and fountain of peace rays flowing towards the patient. Continuous flow is there. Patient realizes some power is moving towards him, and he is receiving, and he is receiving, and he is receiving. God, you are with me. I am not alone. You are with me. Now I can definitely win over coronavirus because you are with me. And then from God sending powerful red hot rays towards the infected area, towards lungs infected area. Continuous flow of rays towards this area, and now there is fight between coronavirus and this rage, and very concentrated rage, powerful rage moving towards this area. After some time, coronavirus defeated and destroyed. Now the lungs revive its own positions, and now the oxygen capacity to the lungs is increased, and the respiratory system work better and better. Less pain in breathing, and now the patient is very confident from his heart. Thank you, God. Thank you. You are my Father. You are my best friend. You are always with me. I have no fear because you are with me. You are with me. And then there is a communications with patient and God is happening. That's a beautiful scene. So now we all enjoy this conversations. For relative or attendant, minimum half an hour to 45 minutes, this continuous flow should be there, and very concentrated, form this race would be provided. This played very important role. Fourth thing played very important role. Number one, never ever cry. Crying means flowing of negative energy, not in form of patient or alone. Never going to cry. Number two, always think my patient condition is developing, is better, is better, is better, because as you think so it's become. If you think better, it's better going to happen. Third, always feel that my patient is under the guidance of angel of gods. They are guide him, and we can also provide positive vibration to doctors also. Fourth most important, within few days my patient will completely cured. In past, how he was working, maybe in home, office, company, same way he is going to be working with more powerful way, more experienced way. Now he enjoy his life in a better way. So such type of positive vibration should always be there. Always you have to remember, no tension but attention to our thoughts. That's played very important role. If you really like this video, then please thanks to God, because this video is prepared on the guidance of God. So we all thanks to God, and he really loves us so much. So we always want to communication with him, love him undoubtedly. And please share this video with your friends, relatives, so that it's going to be reach the person who in need. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you so much. Om Shanti.